Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, and today we are making a very special Teachers Day card for our teachers. So for that I have taken this black pastel sheet and I have taken out its center by folding it in half, and then again so this is the center line which we have taken. Then we will again fold this side till here and this end till here, till the center, in order to make a door open card. So this is how it is formed with the partitions. Okay, so this is how the card will open, like this. And now I have taken a glitter foam sheet and I have cut out a crown out of it, like this. So what I will do is I will paste this crown on one of the door of our card. You can place it like this, or you can place it at some angle like this. So friends, here I am placing it at a particular angle, but please keep in mind that I am pasting it only on one flap, not on another. So as you can see, I pasted this crown here on one side and it gets open like this. Now we will proceed on decorating it further. Now I am taking yellow chart paper and will take a thin strip out of it like this and will cut it out. So friends, this strip is ready. Now what we will do is we will decorate it like a scale using a sketch pen, black sketch pen, like a ruler. We will make small lines for taking, like the ruler has for measurements. So we will draw marks here so that it looks like a ruler. As you can see, this ruler is ready. Now we will place it like this and see how it looks good, so that we can paste it accordingly. So what I am thinking is I'll paste it like this here. So friends, as you can see, I have pasted it like this here. What I will do is I will cut this extra portion coming out of our card. Now because we are appreciating our teacher, so I will write "You rule" here. So on a ruler we are writing that our teacher rules. I'll darken it. I'll make the letters bold like this. Like this. Now what I will do is I will write A+. I'm using white pencil color. A plus, and also so everywhere on this board, blackboard, using the white pencil color, I am writing A plus. Like this. In order to decorate it further, I will also create some design like this because it was looking very empty. So we are using fillers, the spiral, to cover the board. Like this. Now I am making a small pencil using these two paper strips like this. I will paste the red one on the orange one like this. So we have created this small pencil. Now I will give it a finishing look using black pen. So we have created this small little pencil and now we will place it over here. So here you can write any quote or you can create So I have created a trophy like this. Again I am using white pencil color. Just doodling around. Like this. And then here I'll write because of the foam sheet it is like this. I'll darken it. And here I will write Happy Teachers Day. please give it a thumbs up. Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers.